Hello everyone, and welcome back to Naa English World, the place where you can improve your English while learning something interesting about the world around you. Today, we are going to talk about something that is changing our lives faster than most of us realize: artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere. It can write, create images, translate languages, answer questions, help us learn, and even assist us at work. But how much of what we hear about AI is actually true? Is AI really going to change everything? Will it replace our jobs? Or is there more hype than reality? In this video, let's take a realistic look at artificial intelligence, what it can actually do, how it is changing our daily lives, and what we should expect from the future. So, sit back, relax, and let's begin. Artificial intelligence is no longer something we only see in science fiction movies. It is already becoming part of our everyday lives. We use AI when we search for information, watch recommended videos, use navigation apps, write emails, edit photos, translate languages, shop online, or even speak with a virtual assistant. The interesting part is that AI is changing many of these tools so quickly that sometimes we don't even realize how much technology has changed around us. Think about the way we used to work. If we wanted to write something, we had to start from a blank page. If we wanted to edit a photo, we needed to learn complicated software. If we wanted to translate something, we often had to search for a translator or dictionary. If we wanted to learn a new topic, we had to search through websites, books, and videos. Today, AI can help with many of these tasks almost instantly. It can give us ideas, summarize information, translate languages, create images, analyze documents, and even have a conversation with us. This is where the reality of AI becomes interesting. AI is not simply a robot sitting in a laboratory. It is becoming a tool that ordinary people can use every day. A student can use AI as a learning assistant. A teacher can use it to prepare educational material. A software developer can use it to understand code. A business owner can use it to create marketing content. A content creator can use it for ideas, scripts, images, editing, and research. Even someone who has never worked with technology can use AI through a simple conversation. But there is also a lot of hype surrounding artificial intelligence. Every day, we hear predictions that AI will completely change the world, replace millions of workers, make humans unnecessary, or solve almost every problem. Some of these predictions may eventually become reality, but many are exaggerated. AI is powerful, but it is not magic. AI can produce an impressive answer and still be wrong. It can misunderstand a question. It can create information that sounds convincing, but is completely inaccurate. It can also struggle with situations that require real-world understanding, common sense, emotions, judgment, or personal experience. This is why using AI effectively is not simply about asking it a question. We also need to know how to check the answer. Another important reality is that AI is changing jobs, but the change is more complicated than simply saying, AI will take everyone's job. In many situations, AI is becoming a tool that helps people do their existing jobs faster. A person who knows how to use AI effectively may be able to complete certain tasks more efficiently than someone who refuses to use it. This means the future may not simply belong to humans or machines. It may belong to people who know how to work together with intelligent tools. Imagine two employees doing similar work. One spends hours doing repetitive tasks manually. The other uses AI and automation to reduce repetitive work and spends more time checking quality, solving problems, communicating with customers, and making decisions. The second employee may not necessarily be replaced by AI. Instead, AI may make that employee more valuable. This is why learning how to use AI could become an important professional skill. But there is another side that we should not ignore: privacy. When we use AI tools, we may share text, documents, personal information, business information, images, or other data. People often focus on what AI can create, but forget to ask what happens to the information they provide. We need to become more careful about the information we share with online tools and understand the privacy policies of the services we use. There is also a growing problem with AI-generated content. Today, AI can create realistic images, voices, videos, and written content. This can be incredibly useful for education, entertainment, and creativity. But the same technology can also be misused to create fake news, misleading videos, fake voices, and deceptive content. This means the future will require a new skill: knowing what to trust. In the past, seeing a photograph or hearing someone's voice often felt like strong evidence. In an AI-powered world, that assumption is becoming weaker. We may need to verify information from multiple reliable sources before believing something simply because it looks or sounds real. Every major technology has created both opportunities and challenges. The Internet changed the way we communicate. Smartphones changed the way we access information. Social media changed the way we interact with the world. AI is another major technological shift. The people who benefit the most may not be the people who know everything about artificial intelligence. They may simply be the people who understand how to use it responsibly. For English learners, AI can also become a powerful practice partner. You can ask an AI tool to have a conversation with you, correct your sentences, explain difficult words, create examples, or help you practice speaking. Instead of waiting for someone else to practice English with you, you can have a conversation whenever you have time. But even here, there is an important reality check. AI should support your learning, not replace your thinking. If you ask AI to write everything for you, you may finish the task faster, but you may not actually improve your skills. The best approach is to use AI as a teacher, practice partner, assistant, and source of ideas while still developing your own knowledge and judgment. The biggest misunderstanding about AI is that it will suddenly arrive one day and completely change everything. The reality is more subtle. AI is already changing small things around us every day. It is improving search engines. It is helping people write messages, recommending content, assisting businesses, helping students learn. It is supporting doctors, engineers, designers, marketers, programmers, and many other professionals. These small changes may eventually create a much bigger transformation. So, should we believe the hype about artificial intelligence? We should be curious, but we should also be realistic. We should learn what AI can do, understand what it cannot do, verify important information, protect our personal data, and develop skills that work alongside technology. AI is not simply about robots taking over the world. It is about tools becoming more intelligent and humans learning how to use those tools wisely. The real question is not, will AI change our lives? It already is. The better question is, how will we choose to use it? And that is where the real artificial intelligence story begins. And that brings us to the end of our artificial intelligence reality check. AI is developing incredibly fast, but the future of AI is not only about what machines can do. It is also about how intelligently and responsibly we choose to use them. Technology will continue to change, but learning, thinking, communicating, and adapting will always remain important. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Naa English World. Here at Naa English World, we help you improve your English while exploring interesting topics, useful ideas, and real-world conversations. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English every day. Thank you for watching Naa English World. See you in the next video.